that area, yeah. Do Google Maps.
Yeah.
Mark, I'm gonna also have you napping if you can. So.
Yeah, I got it.
SOVA Stovepipe happens today, camera. Happens today. I beg.
Go.
We're gonna go down, a mile down the road. We're not gonna be able to see it very well, and then we're just gonna see right here. Filming?
Yep, I got it.
All right.
That is incredible. Good morning from Danville, Virginia. I'm currently chasing the outer bands of former Hurricane Nicole. There's a ton of dry air wrapped into circulation, and I've seen a number of very potent storms with tornado warnings on them. There's a band of storms coming in from the south. They each have tornadic potential as they become isolated in deep instability and nice clear air. This is one out of 2, maybe 3 rounds of tornadic storms today. I have Justin Baczynski, who is going to be my navigator today, and we have Mark Skaggs with us too for some photography.
Okay. What's up, man?
What's up? How's it going?
Good.
Ready for a tornado?
Oh yeah. Screw having a broken finger. I can't hold as much as I normally would.
Oh, no. We're gonna try to get close to these tornadoes because really the only way you can see tropical tornadoes is if you're close or if you have a drone up in the air. This has the potential to be a high-end day. I'm almost certain of it. This kind of dry air wrapping into a tropical circulation like this is how Virginia gets its higher-end tornadic outbreaks. I'm not sure that today will be a true outbreak, but it definitely has the potential to produce numerous tornadoes across southern Virginia, southeastern Virginia, north central North Carolina.
I can guide you around most of everything, yeah. This is my domain.
All right.
SOVA Stovepipe happens today, camera. Happens today. This road right here is 69.
But there's forest.
How far? Like, I got you, like 2 miles on the road. Okay. Where is the base? I lost it.
Unless it's back. What is that? Left edge.
It's lifted right now. It's not on the ground, but I have a clear shot.
Can I put the drone up here?
Yeah, screw it. That looks like it could be a tornado on my camera right now.
God, man, we are in this. Or maybe we go up one
Look
exit.
right above us right now.
Yeah, we got to get on the highway. This is too close.
I don't look.
Look right.
Yep, I got it.
It's going up the corner.
Nothing. Can't see anything. Still nothing. What do you think, Justin? There's no CUs here anymore besides the service going on. There's nothing right now. Dude, are you watching that right edge?
Yep. Alright, let's stay with it.
Ooh, look at the cumulus on the left side.
Let's stay with it. Let's roll. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Was there motion on that?
I couldn't see the actual wall itself. I was seeing the fringe clouds.
Okay. This thing looks crazy. What is that in the back? Is that a funnel?
I can't tell.
Is that a fat funnel?
Yeah, somebody, there's a car slow ahead though. Dude, that is a funnel. The shape is probably exactly right for it to were to be a funnel. Yeah. Dominate! Woo!
Funnel back here. You see it?
Oh yeah.
Funnel.
Oh, right there.
Here it goes.
It's going.
Yes. baby, produce.
That was a solid funnel earlier.
I mean, that's a funnel right there. Yep, see it spin? Rapid motion on the far left side right here.
Oh, there.
Come on, baby.
Come on, do it.
It's not doing it. Let's stay with it.
All right.
Should I get the drone up if there's a CC drop right here? Or get closer?
Because like, is it gonna cross the road right in front of us?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would get closer.
I do see.
Oh, there is a lowering. Holy crap.
We're gonna meet it like right there.
Okay.
We could honestly catch this thing. I don't want to 0 meter it. Man, I hope that tornado's still down.
Come on, you freaking Yukon.
There's a mud here, so just watch your feet. Yeah. Okay. That's the same warning.
Where do you see?
Right in there, right where that little bowl is.
Yeah, there's a lot of motion. Wait, it's down.
Oh,
It's down.
It's down.
It's down.
Tornado.
Rapidly rising.
Yes.
You want to stay here, hold our ground?
Yes, hold it around.
Get your drone up, right?
No, sir.
Oh my. Go.
We're gonna go down a mile down the road where we're not gonna be able to see it very well, and then we're just gonna see it right
Sir.
here.
You filming?
Yep, I got it. That is incredible.
The SOVA stuff. I said it. I said, how poetic would it be if the final storm did it?
This is unbelievable.
Someone please get a DSLR shot right now of the entire storm. Look at that. You can see the entire updraft.
I think we lifted.
Just a wee bit longer.
It's still spinning like right here. Look at this cinnamon bun right here.
Oh man.
It's still spinning.
What?
Look at that. Yeah.
No, it's actually.
Oh.
I mean, it's the RC kind. The motion's actually pretty good back in there still. Yeah. But.
My God. Did you see the drone shot?
You gotta say it. It's amazing.
I was down in Georgia chasing that, and I was so bummed out. I was like, damn. And I was thinking today was over, and then I was thinking, God.
So you drove all the way from Ohio.
We had Chipotle
Yeah.
Wow.
in the GPS.
Really?
We were literally done.
We were heading back to Danville like we're done.
Oh my God.
Dude, I originally worked today, but I called off because
Smart
I
man.
had a feeling today, man.